So this is how you work with the ATM machine called Cajero. You put your card in, okay? Now the screen is gonna load and it's gonna have you select English or Spanish. I wouldn't play around trying to practice Spanish on this, so just select English. Okay, now you want to do a balance entry or withdrawal. We're doing a withdrawal here. And you withdraw from your checking account or savings account. In this case, I'll just do an example on a checking account. And then you just have the amount you want to select, okay? I'm just going to do, for example, I'm just going to do 300,000. which is about $70 or something, a little bit more. Press accept. Then you put in your PIN number. Press accept again. Now here's the part you want to watch out for. It says decline conversion or accept conversion. You want to always decline the conversion because your US bank account usually gives a better conversion rate. We're going to decline that, and the transaction is in process. There it is, that money. Get that money. All right. Then we want to wait, and make sure you get your card. Sometimes it takes a few seconds to unlock your card. You can print your receipt, or you can look at it on the screen, your choice. I always like to get a receipt. And you get your card. Make sure you get that. And that's it. That's how you work the ATM in Colombia.